Karsai Nei Tsang is a centuries-old Thai healing technique designed to release deep tension, restore healthy circulation, and support men's natural vitality. It is a professional, non-sexual therapeutic practice that works with the body's energy and physical structures to encourage balance and healing. In this video, you'll learn what Karsai Nei Tsang is, how it supports men's health, and what to expect during a professional session. Many men quietly struggle with challenges related to energy, confidence, and circulation, especially as stress, age, and modern life take their toll. But what most men don't realize is that much of this tension isn't only physical. It's stored deep within the body, often in the abdomen, hips, and pelvic area. Karsai Nei Tsang is a traditional form of Thai therapeutic bodywork that focuses on releasing deep internal tension and restoring healthy energy flow through the abdomen and reproductive area. It is a professional, non-sexual therapy that combines acupressure, energy work, and gentle massage techniques to help the body heal itself naturally. By improving the blood flow, reducing muscle tension, and calming the nervous system, Karsai Nei Tsang supports men dealing with issues such as poor circulation, erectile dysfunction, fatigue or low energy, pelvic discomfort, or stress retention. The work helps the body remember how to relax, restore, and regenerate naturally. Every session is tailored to the individual, working within comfort and boundaries. The focus is always healing, balance, and reconnection, never exposure or discomfort. A session begins with a short conversation about your goals and any concerns. The bodywork itself is done in a private, professional environment. You'll be guided through breathing techniques to help release tension, while gentle touch is applied to specific areas that influence energy flow and circulation. Most men report feeling lighter, clearer, and more balanced, not only physically, but emotionally as well. If you're ready to experience natural, confidential, and effective support for men's health, I invite you to learn more. Schedule your free 15-minute consultation through the link below and take the first step toward restoring your confidence, energy, and vitality.